Hi there, my name is Sunwalker, and I'm here today to present you with a demonstration which I call Alchemy of the Heart, the Global Cosmic Taste Test. Today, you the viewer are going to participate in something which is kind of cool and miraculous on some scale. It's a demonstration of love. It's a demonstration of quantum mechanics and intent. Today, right now, if you just go to your kitchen and get 2 glasses, and if there's more people, 2 glasses for everybody. Go get a source of a beverage from one source. Now I'm going to do a timeout, and I want you to stop this film, go get your supplies, and then come back and turn me back on. Okay? Ready? Go. Great! Welcome back. Thanks to technology, that took just a second. Now, with me, take your drink, opened already perhaps, or not, and pour your drink into each glass. Once again, if you have multiple people, put it in all the glasses. Now, at this point, I want you to declare the left glass or the right glass in your intent and in your heart, and hold that thought strongly. If there's multiple people, each of you hold that thought and declare it to each other, or write it down so you can prove it to each other at the end. For my intent, I'm going to choose the right glass. Now, I'm going to do what I'm going to do, and then I'll give you further instructions. So just, here we go. Now, at this point, I would like you to take a taste of one glass and then the other glass, and tell us what you perceive. At the end of this video, there will be contact information and further explanation of Alchemy of the Heart. I wish you all greatness, all happiness, and may you too be an alchemist. I'm looking forward to hearing from your results. Blessings to you all. Thank you.